Okay, so today we're having pizza made with half a French stick. We're going to make the sauce from a little bit of pesto, some tomatoes, some garlic and a little bit of chilli mixed in there. That should give it a nice bit of bite. So that's the tomato and garlic prepared, ready to go in the microwave. Just going to put a little bit of chopped chilli with that. And that should give it a nice bit of pep. In the microwave for just a couple of minutes. So we've got the tomatoes, which have just this moment come out of the microwave, and the garlic. Going to add a bit of pesto to that and a little bit of olive oil to give it a bit more spreadability. If you like that, spreadability, I don't know if there's such a word. But there you are. I haven't bothered skinning the tomatoes. You won't notice the skins when you're eating it, so why bother? Right. So spoon it out. Spread it into all corners. At this stage, not the prettiest of things. As you can see, a little bit left over. This is going to be the most flavoursome bit. That's going on there next. Mozzarella's great for the sort of texture and the stretchability and all that sort of gubbins, but flavour wise, it has to be admitted, it's somewhat lacking. Which is why so many pizza places, when you actually investigate, might add another cheese to it. Now this is some mature cheddar that I grated and froze earlier. So that's the cheesy flavour going on the top. Lots of different cheeses will give you a bit of extra flavour. And then some rather tired looking mushrooms. And more for decoration than anything else. Some little pieces of pepper. And right on time the oven's ready. So that's going to have 12 minutes at 200. And then hopefully it'll look a bit better by then. Well, there we have it, two rather lovely pieces of French bread pizza. Total cooking time about 12 minutes, preparation about 2, eating time about the same. Washed down with a nice glass of whatever happens to be available. So a little bit of Merlot, I think. So there we go. Enjoy.